Here's what the probabilities of trading looks like. One coin, one side marked. The marked side represents my trading plan, my edge, my strategy that I use every day. The mark is what tilts the odds in my favor every time I take a trade, whether it's going to be a winning trade or a losing trade. And each time I repeat the exact same plan, I can get a pool of data to see how I perform overall in the markets. Let's test it out. One win. Another win. One loss. Another win. And one loss. So far, we have 3 wins and 2 losers, keeping in mind that when I win, I will win more than what I lose. So far, this is looking good, right? But what happens when you don't follow your trading plan exactly on the next trade? You change your entry, you alter your risk, you let a winning trade last just a bit longer only to turn against you. There are so many ways that you can alter a strategy, which will basically change that entire strategy, and this is the result. It's hard to even tell which one was the original coin or the original trading plan. The results just end up mixed up. Mixed wins, mixed losses, but no idea of how exactly they happened. And that is trading, and why the journey can sometimes feel long and messy and uncomfortable. When you steer away from that original plan, that original profitable strategy, even just a little bit, it can quickly become very confusing. Today, I'm going to talk more about the trading journey, and I'm going to give you the update that so many subscribers have been asking for. My funded trading account with the prop firm, the 5%ers. I spent most of 2024 working through the 5%ers funded program, the Hypergrowth. If you're not familiar with the Hypergrowth program, it is one of 3 of the programs that the 5%ers offer, the others being High Stakes and Bootcamp. In order to access a fully funded trading account, of course, first you have to prove your skills as a profitable trader. And there is a challenge to pass. The rules of the challenge for the program are very simple. Hit the 10% profit target. Respect the 6% max stop out level. Adhere to the max daily loss. And through all of this, there is no time limit, which is an amazing perk for a prop challenge. I approached this challenge with discipline, aiming for one trade at a time, focusing for A quality trades that matched my trading plan, trying to keep the whole process as less stressful as possible because I'm also balancing this with looking after my 2 preschoolers. My target was first to protect my account, aiming to get away from that max stop out level as soon as possible, then aiming to get more into the green before I would then even think about aiming towards that profit target. It took a lot of patience, but I did pass the program, and I accessed a fully funded $40,000 trading account that I was able to trade and withdraw monthly profits from. It felt great. Then things got a little tricky. Here's the thing. I used to think that trading was a straight road. You learn how to trade, you eventually get it, and then you make money from trading, and you never look back. But even as a consistently profitable trader with over 5 years experience trading the financial markets, you are still never immune to losing streaks. Ultimately, it's how you react to those losing streaks that will determine your fate as a trader in the long run. So I had a bad month. I took some losers. My account dipped. I started that month at 0 because I had withdrawn my profits. So when I took those losers, my account dipped into the red. That triggered certain emotions within me. Mainly revenge trading. I overtraded. I took some trades that weren't perfectly matching my plan. They were not A quality trades. I approached it like I had a machine gun, trying to blast my way to get a winning trade to get back into the green, when in fact I should have used my sniper, aiming for those A quality good trades. Remember the coin analogy at the beginning of the video? That was me. Multiple trades with little tweaks to my trading plan. Machine gunning for a win instead of waiting like a sniper. The results? more losses, more emotions, and that dreaded snowball effect. For the record, I didn't blow up the trading account, but I came very close to the max loss on the account, that 6% max stop out level. Once I got there and I was just a couple of losing trades away from blowing up the account, I just stopped trading. I didn't trade that account anymore, and eventually it expired. With the hypergrowth program, if you don't place a trade at all within a 30-day period, it will time out your account and it will expire because they want you to remain active. And that's what happened. All that work, all that patience, all that dedication gone in an emotional reaction to a losing streak. Does that mean that I'm a bad trader? I don't think so. I just had a bad few weeks. But that is the reality of trading. It's about being aware of your own emotional reactivity and the importance of your psychology when it comes to trading. What's next for me? Well, this happened a couple of months ago, and it has taken me some time to process what has happened and to get to this point where I feel comfortable sharing it with you here on YouTube, which, by the way, if you are enjoying, please share some love, drop me a like on this video. I really appreciate your support. Since then, I have been trading my live account with my broker IC Markets. And of course, now we are entering into the summer period, I have been trading less and less as the markets have become more quiet, taking this opportunity to enjoy spending the summer with my family. But come September, as the market's volume starts to pick up, I am planning on embarking on another challenge with the 5%ers. I'm going to get back onto the trading course. I'm going to keep calm and carry on, stay focused, stay patient, disciplined, and focused. Have you been through something like this yourself? Let me know in the comments below. It's always great to hear from you. If you found this video useful, do let me know and subscribe for more honest trader updates. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.